मिस्टर अनस, सीते मैं तो ऐसे ही जा रहा हूँ। मैं तो ऐसे ही जा रहा हूँ। मैं नीचे जा रहा हूँ। आजा, नीचे ही आ रहा है ना तू। गंडोला लेके आजा, मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ। अरे तू ट्राई तो कर।
No one really talks about this part, the uncertainty, the adjustment, the moment where confidence hasn't caught up with reality yet. Cold air, slightly shaky legs, and me realizing mountain experience doesn't always transfer.
Am I really doing this?
My mind keeps drifting back to summer, not because it was easier, just because that's where this whole obsession probably began. A different mountain, different temperature, but the same feeling. That quiet pull that makes you want to keep going back. The travel part is already fuzzy airports, transfers, that small voice asking if this was actually necessary.
What the f?
I wasn't fully prepared, but sometimes curiosity moves faster than logic. And once you're in motion, you tend to stay there. Hiking teaches control. This didn't. Snowboarding is more negotiation than effort. Push too hard and gravity ends the discussion quickly. I fell more than I expected, which honestly was probably good for me. There wasn't a breakthrough moment, no cinematic turnaround, just small adjustments. An instructor saying, trust the edge, lean downhill, which sounds wrong until it doesn't.
Giving up is not in the blood, sir. It's not in the fucking blood. So overwhelming to look at the top because people are coming at such great speeds. But I'm not slow either, am I? Or I am.
And somewhere in one of those quieter runs, I stopped fighting the mountain. That changed everything. I didn't conquer anything here. If anything, I got perspective. That feeling from last summer, it's still there, just evolving. Hiking, snowboarding, probably more ahead. I guess this is just how I stay connected to the mountains now. And I'm not done yet.